Your tire is not supposed to be walking around looking tired, my friend. If your tire pressure is low, your fuel tank might be suffering quietly. And the painful part is, many drivers only notice the problem when the car already feels heavy, the tire is wearing badly, or the wallet starts coughing. Low tire pressure is one of those small things that people ignore because the car still moves. The tire is not flat. The car starts. The road is there, so you drive. But a tire can be low enough to cost you money long before it looks dramatic from outside. Here is the simple version. When a tire is underinflated, it squashes more against the road. That means more flexing, more heat, and more rolling resistance. Your engine now has to work a little harder to move the same car. So yes, low tire pressure can quietly affect fuel use. But fuel is not the only issue. Low pressure can also make the tire wear badly, especially around the edges. It can affect how stable the car feels. And if you keep driving like that for too long, the tire is working harder than it should. Your tire is not applying for overtime, my friend. Help it. Drop your experience in the comments. How often do you actually check your tire pressure? Be honest. Your answer might help another driver avoid an expensive mistake. And please, do not just look at the tire and say, it looks fine. Some tires are professional actors. They can look okay while they are quietly under pressure, or rather, under the correct pressure. The proper way is to use a pressure gauge. Also, do not use the big number written on the tire sidewall as your normal driving pressure. That is not your everyday target. Your recommended tire pressure is usually on a sticker on the driver's side door jamb or door edge, inside the fuel filler flap, or in the owner's manual. Basically, check what your car manufacturer recommends, not what your cousin at the petrol station feels emotionally confident about. Best habit: check when the tires are cold, before a long drive, and regularly as part of your routine. Check all 4 tires. If you have a spare wheel, check that too. Because the day you need a spare and it also has no air, that is not a spare wheel. That is emotional decoration. So here's the quick fix. 1. Find your car's recommended tire pressure on the door sticker, fuel flap, or owner's manual. 2. Check your tires when cold. 3. Inflate them properly. 4. Repeat regularly, especially before long trips. Small habit, better fuel use, better tire life, better control. Low tire pressure is not just a tire issue. It can become a fuel issue, a safety issue, and eventually, a money issue. Like this video, subscribe to DriveSense SA, and comment what driving habit, car problem, or road situation you want us to explain next. Drive smarter, stay safer, save your car.